everyone, in today's video I'll tell you how to manage keyboard sound settings in your device Vivo Y18e. In this video I'm going to show you how to on off keyboard sound. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Make sure to watch complete video and learn how I can do it. Let's watch the video.